Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. In the daily newspaper of it's Friday the 13th, January. Yes, Friday the 13th, the first Friday, the 13th in the year 2023. Yes. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested, so total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. So the first one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku number 5785. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 4 3s. Alright. We have here 4 4s. Alright. We have here 3 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 3s and the 4s are a majority. Can I start with the 3? Well, will be difficult. Only one digit. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. How about the 4 then? No. 4, no. 4. Difficult. 1. Let me scan. Oh, we have also 4 7s. Overlooked 4 7s. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the third row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. Now we have a 7 here in the second row, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Wait, 4. Let me check with the 4s. 4. 4. 4, 4. Well, still cannot continue with the 4. How about the 3, 3, 3? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. Yeah, 3 in the second column, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Nope, cannot continue with the 3. 4, 4. How about the 4 here? 4. Well, need to wait. 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, I need to wait. How about 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, okay. Okay. 1, 1. Come on. 1, 1. 295. 295. 295. 295. No. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5. We have a pair. 5 and a 9 in this column. 5 and a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 5, 5. Okay, no 9, no 9, 9. 9, no 9. Okay. Need to think. 6. 1. Need a 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in the last column. We need a 3 in the last column, but here can be a 3 because we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. And here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2, number 3. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then. Yeah. 1 and a 6. 6, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So now we have a 4. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 here in this column, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in the third column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the second row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number the 1. The 2 is missing. All right, the 2. Then, let me see. Let me see. Well, 5. We need a 5, and a 2. 2, 5, 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, we have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the second row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. So now we have, let me see. Come on. This is taking too long. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers in this row should be the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Done. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 182, 182. Come on, I need the 2s. Need the 2s. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have a 9 now in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Can I count? No, because we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. All right. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1 number left in this column for number the 1, yeah. And the 1 in this row, third row, the 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 8. So 3 numbers left, the 1, the 2, and the 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. Here we have a 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. So we need 4 numbers. 1, 2, 6, and the 5. 1, 2, 6, 5. 1, 2, 6, 5. 1, 6, 2, 5 are left. 2, 5, 2, 5. 1, 6, 2, 5. 2, 5. 1, 2, 6, 5. 6, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Well, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.